Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is going to be the complete makeover of our living room. We're starting all the way back when we first got the keys to this fixer-upper. Here is what this living room used to look like. Red painted concrete floors, yellow and red walls that had a very heavy texture on them and a very heavy texture on the ceiling as well. These really low arched walls right here as you walked into the living room, and the fireplace brick was a yellowish color. It had mixed red tiles. In this video, we are going to be completely redoing this space, starting all the way back when we tore down these walls, doing the major renovations. We lifted up the ceiling here in the entryway. We removed all of the trim off the floor, and I took down these curtains, and we hired a contractor to come in, close up the entryway ceiling, and also get rid of the heavy texture on the walls and the ceilings. That took several different steps to get rid of that heavy texture, get the walls down smooth, and then he put on a very light texture, and then we had the walls primed and painted, and the paint color that we went with is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. Once that was completed, my husband installed can lights in the ceiling, and then I got started painting this fireplace white. I painted all of the brick white, and while I was working on that, my husband replaced all of the switches and the plug-ins and the covers. I ended up just painting the tile around the wood stove black to blend in with the other black there. The next thing that we did in this living room was to put up a faux wood beam. So here we are just piecing that together, and we did it in two different sections. After we would piece it together, then I put a coat of stain on it, and then we installed it on the ceiling. Stay tuned until the end of this video to see the official before and after of this living room. It's a huge transformation. You guys can see our new furniture and how we decorated, so stay tuned. We also made a mantle to match that beam on the ceiling, and then our contractor installed all of the flooring here in the living room. You'll see more footage of that later. And then my husband installed all of the trim in here, did all of the final touches to it. We installed this light stone here on the front of the fireplace, put it directly on that tile. It looks so much better than the red tile. Really love how this turned out. And then I ended up just painting the top of that white and the side white. I'm not sure if we'll leave it white forever, but it's working great for now, and I love how it turned out. One day we would love to replace these old sliding doors with either French doors or new black sliding doors, but for now we just spray painted them black. I'll have the spray paint that we used linked down below. I've talked about it in previous videos. Then we installed the trim around those sliding doors, and then the last thing that I did in here was to paint these front doors gray, and then we installed a second handle on here. Now we are going to furnish and decorate this living room, and we're going to start with the base for the space, which is your rug. The first thing that I put down was a rug pad. You want to have one of those so that your rug doesn't slip around, and it helps to make it a little bit more cushy. I went with a 9x12 rug in this living room, and it was the perfect size. I'll have the link for this one down below. And then some exciting packages arrived here on the front porch. This was all of our article furniture. Such an exciting day. It was like Christmas when we were digging into these boxes. All of our new furniture is from Article. I am partnering with them on today's video. They sent over all of the furniture for our living room, which we are so beyond grateful for. Article makes it easy to attain a beautiful modern living room. They offer high quality furniture at a great price that is designed to last, and it is very high quality. We could tell as soon as we started pulling it out of the boxes. We just love all of the furniture that we got so much. You can still shop with Article online, and they're shipping with contactless delivery right now. In-stock items will deliver fast. They ship almost anywhere in the USA and Canada for a flat rate of $49, free shipping on orders above $999. If you want to go and shop the pieces that I got, or go and check out all of the other beautiful furniture that they have, the links will be down below in the description box. This first piece is their beautiful Oxford brown leather ottoman. I just love it so much. It brings a lot of warmth into the middle of the room. I like the curved design that it has on the side. We can use it for a footrest. It could be extra seating in the living room. The next piece that we got for the living room is this Fen chair in Charm Chocolate. This is a mid-century style chair. It comes with clean lines, a tufted seat, a stuffed back cushion, and this chair is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. You could fit up to 2 people in this chair, and it is so comfy, our new favorite chair. And I knew that I wanted to do a leather chair in this corner over here. I thought this would be the perfect spot to add a chair and a lamp and just make a cozy little place to curl up and read books, have devotions. And these leather pieces also help to bring a lot of warmth to the space just because we have the white bricks and the light gray walls. For our 2 main couches, I went with this Fen sofa in birch ivory, and these are both the 3-seaters. They are really comfy as well, and they have a couple of different styles of these types of couches and colors that you can pick from. I went with this lighter gray sort of ivory color, and every time I'm designing a room, I always go into PicMonkey and I make a mood board of what I'm wanting the room to look like, and in that mood board I will put all of the furniture that I'm going to be getting and the rug and decor, everything like that. That way I can see it all together, be sure that it's all going to match before I order it, and that really helped me to be able to piece this living room together. Putting everything in the mood board made me realize how good leather would go with these light gray sofas, and it was also nice to have that picture on my phone while I was out shopping for pillows and decor. Our last piece from article here is called the Leap Floor Lamp in Black. I love how this looks with this leather chair, and it just completes this cozy corner over here. Okay, so now it's time to decorate the living room. Here is all of the home decor that I had collected. I had it all here in a pile, ready to go. I will link as many things as I can down below, but items that are from like Marshall's, obviously I won't be able to link those. The first thing I started with are the pillows. I always like to start with pillows and throws, just figure out where I want those on the couches. I love these pillows that I found at Target, and I love them so much because I can do the karate chop in the middle of them. There's not a whole lot of throw pillows that you can do this to, at least that I have found, and I love that these are just really big, comfy pillows to have on the couch. Quite found everything that I want for this mantle yet. I was just making do with what I had. I'm either going to do some type of mirror or a larger desert canvas, something like that. I do love the candlesticks though, and one tip is you can take some books, get some at the thrift store or just some extra old books that you have, turn them around and use them for stacking on your mantle. I love having a mantle to decorate because you can just always be swapping out stuff for the seasons. And now we are going to do the before and afters of this living room. I love how it turned out. Okay, so what do you guys think of this living room transformation? Let me know down in the comments, and also let me know down in the comments if you think this cactus is too big for the space. This probably isn't this cactus's permanent home, but I thought it would be fun to put it here for this video. And I love how everything turned out. Everything is staying in its place, couches, pillows, throws, rugs, everything. I'm just probably going to be switching out some of the decor in a future video when I get a bigger canvas and things for that mantle, so stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you again to Article for partnering with me on this video, and I will see you guys in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye!